y'all. So for today's video, we are in the homie Vince's beautiful 2005 Evo VIII. The last time I reviewed this car was exactly, well, I wouldn't say exactly, but it was like a year ago.
Yeah.
And a lot's changed, bro. A lot has changed. Oh my god. Alright, so first things first, as you guys seen in the previous clips, the exterior has changed a lot. First, we're gonna start with the front end and work our way to the back. So the front end, Vince, what all been changed on the front end?
I put in carbon inserts, APR front splitter. Has a Kevlar carbon hood now. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the front.
It's so aggressive. So aggressive.
It's a pain in the ass stuff, bro.
He's so low, he's street sweeping.
Yeah.
God, I need an Evo! Shit! Damn, my God! Woo! Alright, so he said we got so that completes the So for the wheel choice, he's no longer on the Cosmos wheels you had before?
I had SSRs.
Oh, that was the wheels we reviewed on. We reviewed on the SSRs.
I think GT V01. And then
that's what he had? Yeah, when we did review?
Then like I traded those for the Work Emotion 11Rs. Had those for a few months, and then I had the Graham lights and magnesium blue. I missed those wheels, but
those are nice, bro.
I sold those recently.
So nice.
And magnesium blue, had those, sold those, and got the Workmeisters.
S1s, right? These are SL ones or the S1s?
Yeah, S1s. Yep, S1s.
So nice, bro. Such a great wheel color, bro. And then for the exterior of the car, what's been changed with the exterior of the car?
Minor things. Has a rear diffuser.
Woo! It's so clean.
It's a custom rear diffuser from my good friend Mateo over in my hometown, Jacksonville.
Shout out to Mateo. You got a shop or something?
Yeah, he's a shop.
Shout out to shop. Vince, show him what can they get a custom diffuser for their car at?
You can get anything made. How you want it, but you picture it, he'll build it. So.
And that's the homie, what, Mateo's Performance?
Yep.
Mateo's Performance up in Jacksonville, Florida.
He's a great guy. We get ready to do my backseat delete and do my custom side skirt extensions, and that's really much it for the outside.
Speaking of Jacksonville, Vince drove 8 hours from. he drove what?
2.5
hours to come down here, hang out with your bro, and let me do his review.
It's been a while, bro.
Bro, this is my first review video of 2018.
I know, bro.
That's great. I'm glad it's with this car. Vince had some, Vince was supposed to come down, what, a month ago?
Yes, bro.
What happened, bro? What happened with the car?
Alright, so went to Tampa to get the hood for the car. Came back. I'm on the highway cruising. My phone said changing your location or your route. Continue on the Gainesville back road, pitch black.
My lights
suck. HID sucked at night. Cruising to like 60 and I didn't see it. Hit a raccoon and oh man, the bumper is gone.
Yeah, they ordered a whole new split. You gotta get a new lip. You gotta get a new lip. Lip was
lip and rod. That was it. Lip and rod.
Lip and rod. He called me 3 o'clock that night.
I was pissed.
3 o'clock that night, the day of. I think he's supposed to come that day, right?
That next day, yeah.
Yeah, the next day he's supposed to come. Yep. And he was like, "Yo, what happened?" I'm like, "Yo, did the motor blow?" Nah, bro. When he called me, I was scared. I'm like, "No!" I was like, "Damn, Zosh got problems." Like, you talk to Zosh, your car explodes. Shit's ridiculous. So now, fast forward some weeks later, here we have Vince's beautiful 2005 Evo VIII.
It's reliable, bro.
It is reliable. Stock block, baby.
People never realize the mileage. It has 182 on the dash.
The odometer says 182,000 miles, bro.
And it's still going strong, though.
Still going. He's been racing at everybody. Vince versus the world type stuff going on with this car.
Funny thing is, I've had like since I owned it, like 2 issues. The first issue, as I review a month afterwards, I'm cruising and someone cut me off. And I'm like, okay, so I downshift it to get in front of him, and I started seeing a trail of white smoke.
Yes, he told, like,
yeah.
No!
I'm like, well, okay, here comes my official Evo sponsorship for myself. And it kept driving, like, wow, it's going still okay. So I pulled into my dad's shop at AutoZone and popped the hood. I broke off the coolant feed line to go to, I think, the throttle body or whatever it is.
Yeah, okay.
That broke off, and I'm like, well, okay.
And that will port into your IAC, right? Yep, okay.
Fixed that, that's gravy. And then, like, the month afterward, I'm cruising. and I have an Omni 4-bar map sensor. It went out on me.
Damn.
It drove like dog. Oh my goodness.
Damn.
You're driving, it'll on you and all kind of stuff, bro. But great car. I can't be thankful enough.
Look at that. Look, next broken. Next fucking broken. Damn. I love this car.
So after the 200 Evo coming up, the car will be put down finally, hopefully.
Yep. You're gonna start building the bottom end. Now it's about to get rowdy, boy.
We got the rods, the turbo tough rods, the Wasco pistons, bearings, GSC S2 cams. I'm doing new cams and 85. But my injectors are 1100, so I might see at least 620, 630. That's my goal for the car, but that's all I really want.
Yeah, that's all you really, bro. 620 horsepower is nasty.
And I'm building it not just for performance, just to keep the car longevity, and so
Yeah,
I just have a faith in mind. I could care less for the race. Well, it's Evo, it's not the race, but
yeah.
I got
It's all about what you care for. Really.
Yeah, my goal isn't to go down the track doing 10s and shit. Just a nice
to have fun, look
clean,
and have a car that when people call you out, I can back it up.
Exactly.
It ain't just a show car,
yeah,
bro.
I get that a lot. It's a show car. I'm like, okay, let's run it and let's see it happen.
Yeah, let's see if it's a show car. I'm gonna show you my damn tail lights, player.
Honestly, but I don't care for the show car thing, man. I love this car. That's my girl.
Did we tell them how you got your car back after you got the Evo?
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Okay, so,
tell them what happened. Okay.
All right, so I had the RSX. I sold that to buy this car, and maybe 6 months later, I'm like, damn, this thing sucks on gas. And
yeah, it's like you can't daily an Evo.
I need a daily, like an actual daily. And so when I'm Craigslist, and someone told me type in RSX, I'm scrolling, and I see a car with a front end picture, the hood popped up, the manifold was shining. I'm like, looks familiar. Clicked on it, that's my old RSX. Like, oh my goodness, are you serious?
That's insane.
Bro, I had no money. I didn't call the bank or nothing. I called the dude like, hey, please hold that car till Monday. I'll come get it. I promise you I'll come get it. So like, all right, man, and called the bank. I got approved, and dude, I was
out there. That's crazy, bro. That is honestly insane.
We pull up to the guy's meat spot. I'm sitting there. I hear a car downshifting, bro. I'm like, oh, come on, I know that sound. That time he pulls up, I'm gonna start crying, bro. Like, that drive home was fucking crazy, man. Like,
that's awesome. It's like you sold
the RSX to buy this, and
you sold your car to get your dream car.
I was blessed enough to find it and get it back.
And bought your. That's hot, bro. That's
good,
not
bro.
A beautiful story, bro. That is insane.
So I have this and the RSX.
Yep. So there he has two cars, and he has both cars I want. I want it this year, bro.
Yeah.
I'm getting my Evo and my RSX this year. I'm getting my Evo and my RSX.
You gotta take it a step at a time, bro.
Yeah, one step
at a time.
That's the thing. Like, I want to be patient with it. I don't want to rush into getting a car that you know. I just want to be patient with it. Yeah. I want to find a nice 05 to 06 RSX in blue. I want a blue one.
Please get blue. Blue or white?
I want blue. I want a blue RSX.
Twin it, bro.
Blue RSX, and I want a dark gray Evo.
But yeah, man, I sat outside and I stare at that car like, damn, I sold you. This is my first million car I bought for myself, and I didn't want to sell it, bro. But I had to do it just to get this car. So.
And you got your car, bro. That's a beautiful story, bro.
Yeah, man. God is good, man.
Praise the Most High.
I've had maybe 4 offers. I had 4 offers for the car. 4 offers for this car.
Already? People offer you? How much they offer you?
Highest I got for this car was $20,000.
Damn.
That's it.
Wow.
I can't do it, bro.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Hell no. You better never sell this car. You want to sell this, bitch? Are you crazy? Oh my. Yeah! I need an Evo in my life.
I know, if I sell it, it's like I think for a fact I'm buying a GTR. For a fact.
Would you guys? I'm gonna put a poll on YouTube. Would you guys get rid of an Evo 8 for a GTR? Like this Evo.
Okay, it depends what year. Okay.
A 2012 GTR Black Edition.
Yes, bro. I'm sorry.
What?
I'm sorry, bro.
Damn. Well, then again, if you ask me, will I get rid of Christina for an Evo?
You would, bro.
I put. I don't know. I think.
But safe fact, this car is mine forever. Once the build is going, it's not going nowhere no time soon. Love this car, man.
It is, bro.
It's done me right.
And it has never left you stranded.
Nah.
Never, bro. People always talk about Evos and their diffs and their motors.
Yeah, people say it's mainly how they are maintained in the first part. You know, keep your oil changes like.
Yeah, I think that's what every car is, like a rotary engine. Maintain it.
The oil I change like every under 3K. I change under 3K just for the safe side. But they're good cars, bro. You just have to make sure that they're kept up and everything. And one thing I love, honestly, is like going to like get gas or whatever and go to a store. And then I had dress, bro. People get like, what? Wait, what?
I
love that shit.
Yeah,
bro.
They're like, whoa, buddy. How'd you get that?
No, actually, one day I was at work when on break, and I went to Wendy's. And I put on the window. The guy's like looking at me like, what? He's like,
"This your buddy's car?"
No, he's like, "This is yours?" I'm like, "Yeah." He's like, "Damn, I didn't expect you to put the jar of this." I'm like,
"Oh my god."
I'm like, "Okay, is that an insult?"
Yeah,
like,
yeah, that's a damn insult, bro.
Like, give my damn food, bro.
Yeah,
like,
that's an insult.
Like, bro. I'm not doing this for anyone's pleasure. This is basically my pleasure, my own
your
taste.
own car, bro. That's it. Like when people like, "Yo, why you got the window net?" It's my own. Yeah, I love it. Like when I was at the track this past Friday, and a homie of the channel, like he watched the videos, he's like, "Bro, your car actually looks really good in person. I didn't like the hood, but in person it looks good. The net, it looks good. It matches the car." I'm like, thank you, bro. I wish everyone who saw my car in person be like,
yeah, bro.
Wow,
it came a long way. I'm proud of you, bro. You stuck with it thick and thin, bro. Thick and thin. No one can do that. Nobody does that.
Nobody does it no more. Oh, you blew the first motor? I'll put it in there. Blew the second motor? Okay, I'm selling this shit. I'm junking it. Yeah, bro. I had a vision for my car, and I'm almost there, bro. It's almost where I want it. Once I get my interior on point, engine made good, my car will be done in my eyes. A project car's never done, but build in my eyes, it's done. It's
like my RSX, the guy had the RPF1 I had, he sold the RPF1, he sold him. So it's like, damn, I got stuff from scratch, but thankfully it's from scratch, you know?
Yeah.
The plan is to get wheels for it, make it look pretty again, that's really it. Like, I care less for the power, but it's nice to have it back though.
For real, bro. And speaking of power, remember how my last video I did of this car, I said it had 450 horsepower?
Nah.
It doesn't have 450 horsepower. How much power does it have, bitch?
It made 482.
482 horsepower.
Pump gas.
Stock block pump gas gang. I'm telling you, bro, stock block, baby. It's the movement out here. He couldn't make it's turned down to from what, 5 something?
It made fire no problem, but it turned down because the stock block. It'll make fire easily.
Yeah, stock block Evos can hold how much?
I think 550.
Safe, right? Until the shit start hitting the fan.
Yeah, but that's kind of pushing it.
That's still pushing it?
Yeah, still pushing it. But mine turned down to 480. It's no, I love it, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean, you've been waxing ass with this car. Wax ass, bro. This is the ass waxer.
I raced cars with 85 and shot beat cars with 85 that make 500 horsepower cars. So I'm surprised, man. This thing is blowing me away. Love the car, bro. My everything.
Great car. That's why I need an Evo. That's why y'all gotta start smashing that like button so y'all can give me an Evo. That would be very generous.
That liking, that sharing, bro.
Yeah, bro. All that helps me. Baby pool. Damn, I can't believe it's been a year since I drove this car, bro. And it's so different, bro. It feels different. I don't know what it is. It just feels
more planted.
Yeah, like it feels more like I don't know. It just feels different. Like it's I don't know, bro. It just I like it. It's breaking up a little bit. Yeah.
I think my spark plug that thing.
Probably need spark. Oh, if it breaks up high, yeah, it's probably spark plug. So future plans, we talked about it. He's gonna build the block and make around 600 horsepower. Yeah, around 600. And I think that's pretty much it for Vince's car. I mean,
I've done it so far.
Yeah,
outside is pretty much done. So a big wing, but
yeah, big
$2,000, bro.
Yeah, 2 stacks. I want a Voltex racing or James racing spoiler for my car, but it's up there in price. But I'm gonna do it though. That's a nasty ass 2-step. Insert 2-step sound bits here. God damn, Vince! But thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna wrap it up here. We talked about everything. It felt great to be behind the wheel of an Evo again. I love this car. So hopefully by the end of this year I should have Evo. A dark gray Evo, charcoal gray, or a nice black. Black or green, bro. Painted the same color as Christina. Yellow tire letters.
Twins. twins.
Green Evo, Marauder tire letters. Oh, I might be onto something. But I do thank you guys for watching. Follow my dog Vince here on his YouTube channel so you can watch more of the Evo build and his RSX build.
Yes.
Follow him on Instagram, link down below or right here somewhere. Link down below to all his social media, link down to my social media. Thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Is that V? V! Well, thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. We out. Peace.